Looks like got some vacuums here. This one has a cocoon, got a Electrolux Model J canister. And maybe got a Kirby Heritage 2 here. This one got for free. These two are free. I got for free. Moving on to another canister with cookwood. My next mess is a vintage Electrolux canister. Also has cut cord. It's an older one. And then moving on to some other. Next one, also for free. I got from Grandma's house. I have a UV Gunnabots Super Light. That's that. UV. Next up, we have Orange Sweeper. A Shark Cordless Sweeper, Step Axe to the back. Next up, we have a Shark Steam Up. Next up, Shark Navigator Deluxe. And back there is a Eureka commercial. It's probably a commercial. Eureka bag and thing. 2 edition. And this Camo Progressive canister. So I paid for myself. I paid in this one. Shark also. This one got for free. Shark sent us his vacuum here because the other one, the original standard navigator, had a split in the hose and there's like no way to replace the hose. So call Shark on it and it'll just send another vacuum. This one I'm not sure about it. Spent a lot of time. This one also I paid for myself. This one, these two. That Summer gave me is this in the Eureka. Kirby oldest or Shark. What else we got here? Not like the old thing. Like how long we had the Shark. The last 5 years. This one I have like a few months with this. So I had for a few years. So I have like a couple years too. This one I have for a year. This one I have for like a few weeks with this. And this one of the Electrolux cut cause the oldest. I guess the Kirby is the oldest that works. So, I'm not gonna include the toy vacuums because they're not real vacuums. So I'll tell you that the toy DC-24 and the toy DC-14, they're both Kasten models of Kasten. I'm gonna go for the vacuums that are getting used more often. Now, this Shark was used more often. This Shark was used more often. And the Camo is not getting used. I'll show you things that it needs to work. This Camo requires a new hose. This Eureka requires a switch. This maybe require a new belt, but needs some cleaning. And that Kirby requires a new belt. Basically, the Camo and the Kirby requires pieces. So, that's the vacuum collection of 2022. So, see ya. Bye. Like, comment, subscribe. Because I want to keep that channel up. Like close to 100. I want 10 more subscribers so we can do 100. I probably want all of these vacuums. All of them. Except for the Eureka. Because Eureka plays best switch. Because I didn't want it yet. So the the vacuums I'm gonna run Eureka, the Camel, Shark, the other Shark, and the Kirby. So prepare for this if we get 100 subscribers. So, or even, yeah, more likely to run all these vacuums for 100 subscriber video. Special. So, in the future, I want to do some mess tests with these machines. If I still have these machines, I'll do mess test videos. I'll tell you the vacuums I used to have the working vacuums. I had a Shark rotator, that was my Aunt Jen. That's my Aunt Jen's vacuum. And I fixed it for my Devil Powermax XL I gave my aunt the trade with the rotator. And I added the Devil Power Stick light. Gave my uncle because uncle needs a vacuum. And if in the future, I'll also will get a Dyson. I'll get my grandma's Dyson V6 Origin. So, I'll get my grandma's V6 Origin vacuum cleaner. And it requires a new battery. So, that's basically it for what I have here. And some tools. These are the Devil tools. This one's for the Featherlight. This one's for the Powermax itself. The Shark Table Brush and the Under Appliance Wand. That came with this machine. These toothbrushes are garbage. I'll try to do a review of each of these vacuums if I can. So, stay tuned for more vacuums, and also with Nerf guns too. Some other random things I like to do. I want to show everyone what I can do. Stay tuned for those features and things. Alright.